Hey guys, and welcome again. Today my topic will be about graphing and inequality. In my last video I explained for you how to solve an inequality, but now we will graph one. So let's start with the easy one, y greater than 2. Now here when we want to graph, if there is an equal sign here, my answer will be different. Now the graph will be the same, but some little thing will be different. And now I will tell you what is it. So we have greater than 2. So I will draw my x and y axis. Y, and here is my x. And I will put numbers 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. And also there is a negative, but I don't care about them. Now I want to draw y greater than 2. And there is no equal sign. So my line will be dotted. That's the only difference it will be. When there is an equal sign, you will draw a line, a straight line, without dotting it. But here I will do dots. That means the 2 is not included in my answer, or the y value must be greater than 2, and 2, I don't want it. So now I want to shade what I want. So I want y to be greater than 2. So this is the region that I want to shade. And that's the answer. This is my answer. This is the graph of y greater than 2. And first, before graphing it, we do y equal to, this is it. Y equal to is the dotted line, then we shade. So the inequality only helps me in shading what I want. But what the original graph is about, doing y equal to. So whatever the inequality question is, you just need to do it as an equal sign, then shade depending on the sign of the inequality. So we will do another example. Okay, now we will have x greater than or equal -1. Now here I have an equal sign. So as I said, we will draw x equal -1. And now I will take my y values, my y-axis and the x-axis. Here is -1, -2, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I want x equal -1, and it's with an equal sign, so I will draw a line, not a dotted line. Now I want the value of my x to be greater than -1. So this is the region I want to shade. That's it. And I want to tell you that at the end of this video, I will attach a neat drawing for each of the graphs I will do in this video. And now I will go to a little bit harder example than this one. Okay, now I will have y less than or equal x minus 3. As I said, y equal x minus 3. Now either you can do is draw a table. You take your x and y values. For example, here if I took -1, 0, 1, 2, and I will find the y values for each one, which is -4, -3, -2, -1. Or you can do this. This is the first method. We have this method 1. Or you can find the x and y-intercept. What is the x and y-intercept? Where you put the x. If you want to find the x-intercept, the y value will be 0. If you want to find the y-intercept, the x value will be 0. So here, if x is 0, my y value will be -3. So this is called y-intercept. And if I want to find the x, my y value will be 0. So my x value will be 3. This is my x-intercept. You can either find these 2 points and simply draw the line, or you can find another points, so that you can make the graph more easier to be drawn. Now I will stick with this and I will do my graph. I hope it will fit here. Here is the y and here is my x. Okay, so we will have 1, 2, 3, and here is -1, -2. Here is -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here is an equal sign, so it will not be a dotted. Now I want to plot my points, -1 and -4. I need to add here -4. Okay, -1 and -4, it will be approximately here 0 and -3, 1 and -2, 2 and -1. We found 3 and 0, and we will draw the line. It's not that good, but it will do. Now, if you want to know which is the area that I want or will satisfy my inequality, you will take 2 points. You will take 2 points, one above the line and one below the line. For example, here let's take 3 and -4. Here we will take 3 and -4, and from here we will take 2 and 3. I took 2 and 3 point, and here 3 and -4. I will plug these 2 points inside my inequality to see which of these 2 points will satisfy. So let's do first the 2 and 3. So y is less than or equal x minus 3. My y value is 3. So will 3, I will ask myself, will 3 be less than 2 minus 3? 2 minus 3 is -1 and 3. This is wrong. -1 is not greater than 3. So my shaded, my area that I want is this one. No need to waste my time and plug the 3 and -4 in the inequality, because if 2 and 3 is wrong, so of course the down part, the down of my graph will be the correct area to shade. I'll do another example like this one, and this will be my end of the video. Okay, now for my last example for today, 2y minus x less than 4. So here I want to rearrange my equation first. I want to leave the y alone. I want to make the y my subject of the formula. So here 2y will be less than 4 plus x. Y will be less than 2 plus half x. So for now I will do the x and y intercept, but you can see in my paper that it will be at the end of the video. I did a table, but for now I will do the x and y intercept, which is way more easier. So here we will find first the x intercept. So the x intercept, my y is 0. So if I put my y 0, I want to show you how this is done, how it is done. 2 plus half x equals 0. So half x equal -2. So x will be -4. 2 2's are -4. So this is my x-intercept. Now for my y-intercept, instead of x, put 0, this will go. I will have a 2. So I will plot these 2 points in my graph. Here is the y and here is the x. Okay. This is my x. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -1, and here is also -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I have -4. The x, I want -4. Oh my god. Okay, here is -4 and 0, and I want 0 and 2. So wait a minute, I want to make this a bit more better than this one. Okay, so it's a little bit better than before. Here is my -4 and 0, and this is my 0, 2. So this is the 2y minus x equal 4. Now, to know which side I want to shade, we will do the same as we did before. We will take 2, 1, and I will take -2 and 3. 2 and 1, -2 and 3. I will first start with the 2 and 1. So here I have 2y minus x is less than 4. So 2 ones are 2 minus 2 less than 4. 2 ones are 2 minus 2, it's 0. So 0 is less than 4, which is true. So this is the region that I want to shade. We did a small mistake here. There is no an equal sign, so my line should be dotted. So I will clear so my line should be dotted. You need to be careful about the inequality, if there is an equal sign or no, because you can lose mark on simple things. So because I don't have an equal sign, my line will be dotted, and this is the region that I want. So I hope this video was useful and you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for the channel and like the video.